ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what epic battles are unfolding among the stars? Well, let me take you on a journey about 4,000 light-years away to the southern constellation of Ara. Here, a cosmic war is raging, creating one of the most breathtaking sights in the universe, NGC 6188, famously known as the Dragons of Ara. This isn't just any pretty cloud of gas and dust. At NGC 6188 is an emission nebula, a chaotic and dramatic stellar nursery where new stars are born in fire and fury. Just looking at images of it, you can almost feel the raw power. It's a place where creation and destruction dance together on a cosmic scale. So, what makes this place so special? Why do we call it the Dragons of Ara? It's because NGC 6188 is a stellar battlefield. At its heart lies a cluster of massive, young, and incredibly hot stars. These behemoths are like cosmic fire breathers, unleashing torrents of intense ultraviolet radiation and powerful stellar winds. This isn't a gentle breeze. It's a hurricane of energy moving at millions of miles per hour. This cosmic onslaught crashes into the surrounding clouds of gas and dust, carving out incredible shapes. Imagine a sculptor using a chisel of pure energy. The stellar winds carve sharp, defined edges and create towering, pillar-like structures that stretch for light. The gas clouds themselves look twisted and jagged, contorted into fantastical shapes that, with a little imagination, look just like mythical dragons soaring through space. You can see their roaring heads, their spiny backs, and their unfurled wings. This violent, yet beautiful, interaction is what gives the nebula its legendary name, and the colors. The vibrant hues of NGC 6188 are not just for show, they tell the story of what's happening inside. That brilliant, fiery red you see is the signature glow of hydrogen gas. The massive stars are so hot that their radiation strips electrons from the hydrogen atoms, causing them to light up like a cosmic neon sign. The striking blues are a mix of light from the hot stars reflecting off tiny dust particles and the glow of other energized elements, and those dark, shadowy regions, they aren't empty space. They are incredibly dense clouds of cosmic dust, so thick that they completely block the light from the stars behind them. Together, these different layers of color and darkness give the nebula a stunning three-dimensional depth, making you feel like you could fly right through it. But NGC 6188 is more than just a pretty picture. It's a dynamic laboratory for star formation. The nebula is intimately linked with the open star cluster NGC 6193. The very stars that are sculpting the nebula with their fierce winds are also triggering the birth of new stars. As their radiation and winds compress the surrounding gas, pockets of it collapse under their own gravity, igniting the next generation of stars. It's a cosmic chain reaction. However, there's a beautiful irony at play here. The very same stars that are giving birth to new ones are also slowly destroying the very clouds that created them in the first place. Over millions of years, they will blow away all the gas and dust, leaving behind a sparkling cluster of stars in empty space. NGC 6188 is a perfect, fleeting snapshot of this incredible cycle of stellar birth and death happening all at once. So, why does studying a distant cloud of gas matter to us? Nebulae-like. The Dragons of Ara are crucial for helping astronomers understand some of the biggest questions about our universe. They show us exactly how massive stars influence and shape their environment on a grand scale. They teach us how radiation and stellar winds can both trigger and halt star formation, a delicate balance that determines how galaxies evolve. And they give us a glimpse into the life cycle of the interstellar clouds that are the building blocks of stars and planets, including our own solar system. NGC 6188 is a powerful reminder that the universe is not a static, quiet place. It's a living, breathing entity, constantly creating and destroying in a cycle of unimaginable beauty and power. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember the cosmic dragons fighting their epic battle, painting the heavens with fire and light. Thanks so much for joining me on this stellar adventure today. If you found this as amazing as I do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more journeys into the cosmos. See you in the next video.